If you're looking for a quick fix, instant formula to learn astrology, then you're in the wrong place. Because learning astrology is not by default. It's purely by design. Hi, I'm Shriya Pai.
Hi, I'm Manish Bhayani.
We have trained and coached more than 50,000 leaders, conducted more than 100 consulting, facilitated learning workshops for over 35 years, and together we have more than 58 years of corporate and entrepreneurial experience.
Knowledge, skills, and attitude an astrologer needs to be successful. You can learn Vedic astrology if you are someone who wants to embark on a journey of self-transformation.
Interesting, right? What are you waiting for? Register now by clicking on the button below to unlock the secrets of the cosmos and its influence on our life.
Register now. We'll be waiting for you